So a question was asked about how to make something like this today. And so I'm going to show you how to do this, okay? It's merging these two images together and having them inside the text. All right, so let's start a new page. And what you're going to want to do is go to Google and search for some kind of background. It doesn't matter if it's Disney princess backgrounds or, you know, Mickey Mouse backgrounds, whatever. Just go ahead and find a JPEG of a background, download that, and then you're going to want some kind of image. Like I have the Grinch. It needs to be a transparent PNG file, okay? Once you have that, then you can go to File, Place, Image, and bring in your background, and then File, Place, Image, and bring in the PNG file. Now the reason I'm using Place Image for the PNG file rather than import is because I don't want the cut line, okay? All right, then what I'm going to do is place this up here in the corner. Then I'm going to type my text. I'll go ahead and do the same one, GG. Now I like to do all caps in a bold font because you'll see more of the image in it if you do that way. All right, and then you can, let me go ahead and zoom in here. Go to your text panel and you can bring your text in closer. Well, let me select it first. You can bring the letters in closer. I think that's close enough, but there's more separation here than there is here. So I'm going to go ahead and ungroup that and select these two letters and move them over. Maybe a little bit more, just a hair. Well, that might have been too far, but that's fine. I'm not going to worry about it. And then I'm going to group that back together. Okay, then what I'm going to do is take this text and bring it up here. And I'm going to size it from this corner top all the way out. And I can see that I really only need a little more maybe than half of this image. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to bring it into the trace window. And I'm going to make sure I'm in monochrome mode at 255 with add image layer selected. Then I'm going to crop this under edit mode, crop. I'm going to left click and drag this up to almost half. Now I know from doing this earlier that I also need to bring it in. Even though it doesn't look like it does, like I do here, I do. Just trust me on that. Because I've already done it, I already know. So, see, this is just now as white as this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. It is a little bit, I didn't crop it far enough. So when I'm all done, my bounding box is actually going to be bigger than what my image is. And that can cause sizing issues, but you can play around with your cropping. I will just let you do that. All right, so then I'm going to place my Grinch on top, and if he's not, just find him in the layers panel, left click, bring your mouse over to the left so it doesn't go inside a group, and let go, okay? Then you can select, you know, position it toward the center and select both of these and group them, okay? And then we're going to grab our text, we're going to place that on top, and we're going to bring that over and place it inside. Now I have the choice if I want more of his face or I want more of the hat. I can decide what I want to do there. I might actually ungroup this and move him over just a bit. Reason being, I want to get both of those eyes inside my text here, see? Okay. So then I can go ahead and select all, and you should only have 2 layers, okay? And then go to Object, Clip Path, Set Clip Path. And it puts both of those images inside the text. Now, like I said, your bounding box is going to be the size of your cropped background. And it may make it a little bit difficult for sizing if you don't get that cropped properly. So you may need to play around with it a couple of times to get the right size. But that's how you do it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or you can find me in one of the groups I have posted in the description. Thanks for watching.